During the past few years, more and more states have enacted legislation often called Stand Your Ground. But even before that legislation came about, everybody in this country had the inherent and absolute right to self-defend. In other words, to defend yourself and others. I want to tell you a little bit about a book that I highly recommend to you. It's written by my very good friend, Massad Ayoob. He was nice enough to ask me to write the foreword to this book. It's called Deadly Force: Understanding Your Right to Self-Defense. It's a bestseller on Amazon, and for good reason. It's a great book. Massad is not a lawyer. He's a firearms instructor. He's an expert witness. I've trained with him for many, many, many years. No one is better. This book is written in basic English, not legalese. It talks about the practicalities of carrying a weapon, of using a weapon, whether it be a gun or a knife. It talks about self-defense, how to avoid problems, and if you have to be involved in using deadly force, how to do it properly and legally, and how to conduct yourself after using deadly force when the police are arriving and when the police are questioning you. So get this book. Get this book. It's fantastic and it's great. And one other thing. If you carry a weapon of any kind, if you have the need to use deadly force, and believe me, nobody knows when events happen that call for you to use deadly force, especially in this day and age, not just with common criminals, but with terrorist acts. Nobody wants to be at the mercy of criminals. It's important that you have a criminal defense attorney that understands the use of deadly force, understands the laws of self-defense, and understands weapons. Call me. If I can be of assistance to you, call 305-670-9919. I'll be happy to meet with you, talk with you, so that if, God forbid, something happens that requires the use of deadly force, you'll have an attorney ready to go who knows you, who can represent you and defend you properly.